Samsung has consistently released one book-style foldable each year since 2019. Now, the company is expected to expand its lineup with a second book-style foldable in the 6th generation series, likely named the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. In the latest news, a Samsung device with the model number SMF958UN was spotted on the Korean Testing and Research Institute for Chemical Industry (KTR) certification platform. This model number closely resembles the SMF956UN of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, suggesting that it could be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. This certification indicates that the device will be available in South Korea. According to reports from South Korea, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim might launch on September 25th in the country. It could also debut in China as the Samsung Galaxy W25, competing with upcoming foldables from brands like Huawei and Honor. Availability in the US and other markets remains uncertain. As the name implies, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is expected to be a thinner version of the recently released Galaxy Z Fold 6. It is likely to be Samsung's thinnest foldable to date, although it may not be as slim as the Honor Magic V3. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim could measure 10 mm when closed, compared to 12.1 mm for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. To achieve this reduced thickness, Samsung has reportedly removed the S Pen compartment and the 0.3 mm digitizer film necessary for S Pen functionality. While other manufacturers have managed to reduce thickness without sacrificing features, this move may be intended to further distinguish the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim from its sibling, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Nonetheless, it's still a rumor and readers should take this information with a pinch of salt.